Hi ladies, my name is Natalie. I am an eco-friendly blogger. My videos are usually about sustainable fashion, plant-based foods, and natural beauty products. If you're new here, welcome. I drop videos 2 days a week, every Wednesdays and Sundays, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. The video today is about a review of a product that I won as a giveaway on Instagram thanks to Old World New. I was already looking to purchase this product and she happened to have a giveaway around the same time, so it was totally meant to be. One of the best things that you can do for your clothes is take very good care of them. And you do that in how you use them and also how you clean them. For many years now, air drying my clothes has been one of the ways that I keep my clothes looking fresh for as long as possible. We used to have this rack that we used that was very small, but I always wanted to transition to something bigger. So now that the opportunity is here, I want to show you this product and also give you an entire review of this product. When I was a little girl growing up in West Africa, we air dried all of our clothes. So this video review is very exciting to me because we're going back to that way of life. This review is about Brabantia's clothes dryer. It is super easy to put together. I just first wanted you to see how it works, all of the pieces, and wanted you to know that it's available in different parts of the world. So if you do not live here in the United States, you can still have access to it. Very lightweight, easy to put together product that can definitely make laundry day a little bit more exciting. People all over the world air dry their clothes. It's not until I came to the United States that I was introduced to drying my clothes in the dryer. But most of the world dries their clothes with the sun. So let's get into this product. We're just gonna unbox it. That part is fairly easy. It is shaped like an umbrella, as you could see. It's all already put together. The only piece we're gonna put together is that piece right there, which goes into the ground. It's a spike that provides a hole for you to basically put your umbrella in. We also have some pegs and this bag to keep all of your pegs together. So step 1, dig a hole. Step 2, we put our spike in there. And you can see there's a red lid that goes on top of that. So for the sake of this demonstration, we're gonna remove that and put our dryer inside of it like an umbrella and just allow it to open up like an umbrella. Look at all that glee on my face. I'm so excited. It's just the little things. This product came with this basket, which is a non-plastic basket, and it's easy to fold, so storage is amazing. Same with the actual rotary dryer. The storage is pretty neat on that too. It's pretty compact and lightweight. The load is pretty much 4 different loads of clothing. So think of 4 hours of clothes drying that you don't have to worry about anymore. You just get to put it all on there and just wait a few hours. We tried this for about 3 weeks before I decided to make this video. I wanted to make sure I understood all the ins and outs of how it worked. It's pretty much super straightforward. It's not more complicated than this. And it's really been a wonderful addition to our lifestyle. And I'm so grateful to Addie to have won this gift, because I know it's gonna save us so much energy that we would otherwise be wasting. It's gonna save us so much money in the long run with not having to run the dryer for 4 hours. So it's good for the environment, it's good for our finances, of course, it's good for the quality of our clothes. What about you? Do you ever air dry your clothes? Have you noticed a difference between air drying your clothes versus using the industrial machine to do it? All right, ladies, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Remember, I drop videos 2 days a week, every Wednesdays and Sundays. If you're looking to purchase any of my sustainable fashion pieces, you can do so on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, Depop, and Vestiaire Collective. Everything is at Styled Under 25. You can also find me on social media at Styled Under 25. Until next time, au revoir!